Hi yogis, namaste, Melyssa here from Mystical Storm. Welcome to your day 26 of our 30-day journey. For the last 5 days of this journey, we're going to be practicing pranayamas. Today's pranayama is known as BHASTRIKA, and this breath will help you to just cleanse your lungs and will also strengthen them so that you can breathe at your fullest capacity. Another thing that you will find with this breathing technique is that it will boost your energy. Also, before you start this practice with me today, make sure that you go down on the description and check the counterindications for this pranayama because it might not be suitable for you. For instance, if you have heart concerns, high blood pressure, eye pressure, if you're pregnant, this is not for you, and there are a couple more reasons why you might not be able to practice this. If this pranayama is not for you, make sure you check Dirga Pranayama instead and you practice the yogic breath. If you're good to go, do it slowly, mindfully, and always check in with your body over and over. My teacher used to call this breath up, down, out, in, up, down, out, in. So we're gonna do it without the arm movement, and then we're gonna add it. The first round is just for us to get comfortable, so you wanna find a comfortable seated position, allowing your shoulders to stay over the hips. Relax your shoulders back and down, slightly tuck your chin onto your chest and take a few moments. We're gonna use a mudra just to check in with our tummies. So you're gonna go into Ushas Mudra, interlace your fingers and place your hands against your tummy. Relax your shoulders, relax your elbows, and inhale through your nostrils. And when you exhale, draw your navel in and let the air go down through your nostrils and then allow your inhalation to happen naturally, expand. And again. Now inhale. And again. We'll do 2 more. Inhale. And in. And 1 more. Inhale. And out. All right, so we're gonna do a second round like this, but I just want to give you a visualization because it might help. So you want to think about the muscle that is at the bottom of your rib cage, and every time you inhale and your belly expands, you want to think about this muscle expanding downwards. When you exhale and your tummy pushes in, you want to think about this muscle contracting and pulling up. Now, you can visualize a jellyfish, and as you inhale, you can think about that jellyfish going down as it expands. This is your inhalation, and the exhalation, you can think of the contraction and inhale, expand, and let's do 5 together. Inhale slowly, and think about the exhalation happening naturally. Don't force it in. And when you feel that you have enough air to exhale, then go for it. Let's do 2 more. And bring your hands to your knees, close your eyes. Take a few moments and observe your breath. If you experience any discomfort in your abdomen, a light headache, pressure on your eyes, or something, maybe your ears start ringing, something just doesn't feel quite right, you can stop now. Go on to Gyan Mudra instead, thumbs index touch, palms face up, and breathe. So you do want to focus on your breath, and you may continue with this pranayama of Dirga Pranayama instead. You can skip the next round if this first one didn't feel quite right. Otherwise, we're gonna go on to Ushas Mudra and we'll do 5 again. Let your belly expand as your inhalation happens naturally. Think about your jellyfish and exhale when you're ready. And again. And 3 more. 2 more. And last one. and relax and observe your breath. Gyan Mudra on your legs, palms facing up. Open your eyes. Now we're going to do it with the arms. So once again, my teacher used to call it up, down, out, in, because that's exactly what we're going to do with the arms. Bring your hands in front of your shoulders with your palms facing forward, elbows in towards the body. Inhale your arms towards the sky. And as you exhale, close your hands into fist and bring your elbows to the sides of your rib cage and let the air out, just like you did before. So that was up, down. Now out, in. Inhale, extend. And exhale, close your hands into fist and let the air out. And again, inhale up and exhale down. Tuck your chin slightly. Inhale out. Exhale in. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale up and down and out and in, up, down, out, in, up, out. Last one. Inhale up and stay. And when you're ready, exhale, release your hands down, palms face up, Gyan Mudra. Observe your breath. Notice your heartbeat. And notice the movement of your diaphragm. You can visualize your jellyfish when you inhale, down. And when you exhale, feel the contraction of the diaphragm. Tuck your chin onto your chest and open your eyes, gaze forward, release your mudra. So you can start this pranayama with 5 rounds and then build up to 10. Always making sure that you're not building too much pressure with the pumping of the navel. Also make sure there's no discomfort, no pain, and feel your energy rising. It will help you with your mood, it will help you with your energy levels, it will help you to breathe better, and it's just a beautiful pranayama. It also helps with the shoulder mobility. You want to engage your shoulder blades every time you bring your arms up and down and out and in. And it also helps with arthritis in your hands. Another benefit of this pranayama is that it will stimulate the lymphatic system. With the movement of the arms, will squeeze the lymph nodes of your armpits, and the movement of your belly as you exhale, it will stimulate the digestive system, but also the lymph nodes of your belly. Well, let me know how you did, how you like this, and if you want more pranayamas like this, let me know, because I love them and I would love to share them with you. Let us close our practice together, hands together at the center of the heart, shoulders back and down, close your eyes. We're going to seal our practice with our metta mantra. May I be happy, may I be healthy, may I be safe, may I live in peace. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be safe, may you live in peace. May all be happy, may all be healthy, may all be safe, may all live in peace. Inhale through your nostrils, expand, and through your nostrils, exhale. Inhale to Om. Om. Tuck your chin on your chest and open your eyes. gaze forward. And as always, we're gonna build up extra good vibes and shower yourself with those and shake off whatever it is that you don't need anymore. Thank you, yogis. You have a wonderful day. Namaste. If you are ready to get serious about your yoga practice, remember to check out my online yoga studio, link in the description. Also, press the like button before you go, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell button so you can get notifications whenever I upload new content. Thank you so much for being part of this mystical community. Namaste.